Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome.
Well, we'll start the appearances with petition number 3. So you call it off, please.
Petition number CA/PEPC/03/2023 between Mr. Peter Gregory Obi, Labour Party,
to this channel. We love you.
for the petitioner, and Independent National Electoral Commission, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Senator Shetima Hashim, All Progressive Congress APC respondents.
All due respect to the court, my name is Kashim Shetima, Vice President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, and a defendant.
My Lord, the petitioners are not represented in courts. You know?
Oh.
Now. Okay.
Barrister Julius Abure, National Chairman, Labour Party.
You are representing the second petitioner.
petitioner.
Okay. My Lord, the second petitioner is represented in court. Also, for the respondent.
May it please my Lord.
By who?
Abure.
Abure Julius. ABURE. Julius. For the second petitioner, my Lord.
Yes, any other representation?
May it please my Lords, Mrs. May Agbamuche Umbu, INEC National Commissioner, Chair Legal Services for the first respondent.
My lords, my name is Kashim Shetima, representing the third respondent. I'm the third respondent.
So, my Lord, the second petitioner is represented. The first respondent is also represented here in court. The third respondent is present in court. Other parties are absent. Fourth.
Who is also in court? Second respondent is in court, yes?
My Lord, my name is
respondent. My
name Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, National Chairman,
Okay.
APC, representing the fourth respondent.
Okay.
Fourth respondent.
The fourth respondent is represented here in court, my Lord. Other parties absent. Thank you.